Hello, I'm Phillip Browning and I'm the Interim Director of the Department of Children and Family Services. The department is making progress toward providing the best possible services and supports to children and families. I'd like to share some examples of that progress. One of the core elements of the department's work is our effort to reunify children with their families when it's safe to do so. Since 2010, more than 9,000 families have been reunited as a result of our work. When it is not safe or possible to reunify families, we seek other avenues to permanency, such as adoption. The department continues its strong work in the timely adoption of the children in our care. Last year, we moved over 1,600 children from foster care to adoption. We were also able to save the lives of 8 tiny newborns through Safe Surrender, which offers parents of newborns the opportunity to place their child in capable hands for adoption without any consequences. Another area where we've made great strides is in providing better educational opportunities for the children in our care. It's so sad, but nationally only 50% of foster care youth graduate from high school and a mere 2% go on to college. However, of the youth participating in the Gloria Molina Foster Youth Education Program, 78% graduate, and of those, another 78% go on to college. That's great. The department is also among a handful of agencies nationally that have committed to address the disparities that especially have confronted the African American community with respect to child welfare historically. Through a work group and pilot projects implemented in several regions, we are seeing reductions in the number of African American children who enter the foster care system, as well as improvements in rates and timelines to permanency. There's much more work to do, but the early results are encouraging. Finally, I'd like to provide an example of responsible stewardship of the county's fiscal resources. Through our role as one of only 2 counties in California participating in the Title 40 waiver, we have generated reinvestment funds which allow us to invest in strategies that we know are effective. For example, we've been able to support early intervention through the funding of new family visitation centers. We've been able to support permanency through youth permanency units and the Permanency Partners Program. And we've been able to further our use of upfront assessments that help mitigate the removal of children from the home. And importantly, thanks to the waiver, these programs and services are being provided at greatly reduced costs to the county. We at DCFS are mindful that ours is perhaps the county's most important responsibility, caring for the safety and well-being of children. It is challenging work, particularly in these difficult economic times. But as we work to respond to the average of more than 170,000 reports of child abuse each year, and as we care for more than 35,000 children in our charge on any given day, we remain committed to working with our public and private partners, as well as the community, to achieve improved outcomes for children and families. I'd especially like to thank the Board of Supervisors and the CEO for their continued support of our work. And most importantly, I'd also like to thank our more than 7,000 staff for their hard work on behalf of the people of Los Angeles County. Thank you.